The purpose of this tool is to track who's been trained to do what, but there's another benefit if you do it right, which I'll share at the end. Hi, my name is John Seifer, and I've owned companies all my adult life. Since 1994, I've helped other business owners learn from my mistakes at CEObootcamp.com. This session contains a quick tool that can alleviate a lot of problems, so strap in and let's get started. First, open a spreadsheet and make a list of tasks down the left. Tasks can be anything from who can do payroll, update the website, work on a certain machine, stuff like that. Then put people's names across the top. Then you put an X in the cell when that person is trained to do that task. Simple, right? But there's so much more you can do with it. Instead of an X, you can put a P in the cell for the person with the primary responsibility for that task and an S for the secondary or backup person. That way, if the primary person is away or sick or too busy, everyone can see who's trained to back them up. You can also see which tasks have no trained backup. Then you can add a column with links to the videos or documents you use for training. If a task requires certification or renewal, you can put that date in the proper cell as well. Pretty cool, huh, for a simple little tool? But wait, there's more. It can be used for performance reviews. Some companies give raises or base promotions on which tasks people are trained in. It can differentiate between a senior and a junior employee in some jobs. One client used it for professional development of individuals. They made a grid for just one person and tracked the number and type of errors. Based on that, they knew what kind of training that person needed and could show improvement when the number went down. But the real benefit is not the X's or the P's or the S's in the grid. The real benefit is this list of tasks. Breaking down the work into specific tasks is the hard part of any manager's job. Too often, managers get lazy and figure, I know good work when I see it. But you can't train people on that. Your job as a manager is to specify what good output looks like in objective terms, then help people do better work. You might think this only applies to simple tasks or physical tasks, but not to knowledge work, but you could list the things that you would expect a surgeon or a lawyer to be able to do. I couldn't, but if you manage surgeons or lawyers, you probably should be able to. If your people are managers, a task could be problems you expect them to solve or questions they should be able to answer or decisions that they should be able to make. Determining this list is the perfect thing to do in your CEO time. If you haven't seen my video of how to get CEO time, you should check it out. And thanks for your time. If you'd like a copy of this deck, email me. Be sure to let me know which one you want because I do so many of these. And one of the things I do is help companies develop and implement a training grid. If I can be of any help to you, please email me, john@ceobootcamp.com.